emergency at the park. It's the cow snake. I don't know what's wrong. We have an emergency at Enclosure 7. The hybrid is out of containment. I repeat, the hybrid is out. Send backup immediately.
Transcription. Copy that.
On my way.
It's secure for now, but we need to expedite the transfer to the primary containment facility. This thing's bigger than we thought.
You've done an amazing job. Thank you for this wonderful work.
CN cho TDM 破 uncheck province sa Bumbo
It's all over. We'll be home soon.
The snake is slithering quickly.
Oh my God! What has happened? Wow, what a nice weather today. Yes.
What happened, brother? Why are you sitting worried?
Over there, my cow has been caught by a very big python.
We need security and a snake catcher squad immediately. Hello, this is the police station. How may I help you? Yes, please help. A python has attacked a cow. Send security immediately. Oh shit! We are coming! Hurry up! It's an emergency! Everyone quickly come to the briefing room. An emergency has occurred. This is the target. We will definitely save it. Yes, sir. Faster, grab the equipment. We have a situation.
Harnesses and ropes ready. Let's move.
Is the safety kit secured?
Yes, Alpha. Straps are tight.
Good. Load the remaining vest now. Everyone is ready? Let's move out. Tell us what happened. Over there, a python has caught my cow. Please save my cow. Get the ropes ready. Move, move.
We need the shields up front. Radio check.
First aid kit secured. Let's go. Get back. Move. Ah! Watch out. Raise your poles. It's aggressive. Step away. The python is very big. We can't control it alone. We should call the animal rescue squad. Animal rescue team, we need urgent help. Please come to the village road immediately. Radio check. We are mobilizing now. Rescue team, get ready quickly. It's an emergency. We need to capture a giant python on the village road. Come on, let's go. Hurry. All clear. Get us up.
All systems green. Lifting off. Confirmed. Airborne. Proceeding to coordinates.
This way, quickly. Follow me. Move faster. It's just ahead. Get the poles ready now. Get the net ready. Watch its head. It's moving. Secure the tail first. Hit it again. Force it off the cow. It's coming towards us. Step back. Raise the poles. It's turning. Watch out. Get back. Shields up. Shields up. Stand back. Deploying the sedative now. It's slowing down. Move in with the nets carefully. Get ready with the poles. We need to secure it once it's down. Wait for the chemical to take effect. Everyone back. Ready on the net. 1, 2, 3, throw. Poles ready. Get them down. It's secure. Bring the ropes. Watch the head. Keep the pole steady. Loop the rope under the coil. Now pull, pull. Okay, tension is good. It's secure now. Drawing the sedative now. 0.5 milliliters. Confirmed. Ready when you are. Right, keep it steady. Holding secure. Injection complete. Stepping back now. Confirmed. Hold position, everyone. Monitor the effects. Hello? Come here. We've captured a very big python. Hurry up. All right, team. Let's get this done safely.
There you go, easy does it.
Almost done, you're okay.
All right, giving the injection now.
Come on, girl, push.
There we go, she's standing.
Aren't they lovely? I'm so glad they are safe now.
Help me, please! It's killing my horse! Hurry up! The hydraulics are dead. I can't move the arm. Get back, it might fall. The arm is seized up, it won't budge. We need help now. Call them with your phone. I need emergency assistance immediately. There's a giant snake crushing my horse. Please, hurry.
Police emergency, what is your situation?
The threat is a gigantic constrictor snake. Non-lethal capture only. I repeat, non-lethal.
The rendezvous point is marked here at the base of the eastern ridge. ETA is 4 minutes.
Secure the perimeter now! It broke the harness. It's getting away. Please, you have to save him. It's crushing him. Move swiftly, keep the net low. Underneath the girth now. Secure the edges, pull tight. We need a deep pit. Can you dig one here? Thank you, officer. I can't thank you and your team enough for saving my horse.
Dispatch, we are rolling. Returning to the highway.